If you've been randomly logged out of TikTok and aren't sure how to get back in, don't worry, we've got you covered. Today we'll walk through some common fixes to resolve this issue. Let's get started. Here's what you can do if TikTok logs you out unexpectedly. Ensure you have a stable connection. A weak or intermittent connection can sometimes cause you to be logged out. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Next, close the TikTok app completely. On iPhone, swipe up from the bottom and swipe away the app. On Android, use the multitasking button and swipe away TikTok. Reopen the app and try logging in again. Now, next thing is go to the App Store or Google Play Store for Android. Search for TikTok and update the app to the latest version, as updates often fix bugs and glitches. Now, if this also doesn't help you, uninstall the TikTok app from your phone, restart your device to clear any residual app data, and reinstall TikTok from the App Store or Google Play Store and log in again. If none of these steps worked, contact TikTok support, visit the TikTok Help Center, and follow the instructions to submit a support request. And there you go. By following the steps, you should be able to fix the issue of being randomly logged out of TikTok. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.